rather you can do one. Okay. Good morning, friends. Aside Professor Sinha, Professor Nipulinder Sinha. Today, my concern is that how to make India as a developed nation, a developed country. So I realized and I jotted down 25 things which will make India as a developed nation or developed country. So let's start. Number one, increase penalty and immediate action for crime. Crime record in India are pending for ages. There could be 10% which have immediate judgment in India. Also, every judgment will have an option to come out of it. In order to avoid any crime, the penalty for each crime should be severe and immediate. And no option should be given as the alternative for the judgment penalized. Every individual who committed crime must undergo the severe punishment which will not allow any other person in the country to commit the same crime. Number two, death sentence for the rapist. India is now in the trend of rape. Every day in the paper, we read at least one average of a two incident of rape. There has been no reduction in the same cases. This case, men attempting do not fear of anything. Single punishment for the rape should be death. Men should be spared over to touch a woman when this is the case. Any kind of eve-teasing should also have severe punishment to avoid any sexual harassment. But in the case of found guilty by the woman candidate, do same actions against her also. Number three, stick the immediate action for the corruption. Corruption is our main threat and major threat. Every year we come across a major scam and multiple crores are in a picture in a such scam. However, people forget as year passes, decision being there are no judgment given for such which allow people to perform such a scheme as they wish. As mentioned above, there should be an immediate judgment and severe punishment for the corruption which should dare people to get into the world of the corruption. Number four, prompt payment of prompt and real tax. Black money in India. Black money refer to fund earned on the black market on which income and other tax have not been paid. The total amount of black money deposited in a foreign bank by Indian is unknown. Some reports claim a total exceeding $1.4 trillion are slashed in Switzerland. If every Indian take up the responsibility to pay the real tax promptly and effectively, the money which is supposed to be utilized for the Indian development will be utilized efficiently, and India do not have to look forward from other world organizations. Number five, minimum wages for every citizen of India. Similar to United Kingdom, United States of America, and other Western countries, India must implement improvised National Minimum Wage Act and make the employer follow it strictly. No citizen must work less than a certain amount of daily wages. This will benefit toward the country development at many ways. Currently, we do not have minimum wage act. Do not currently we do have minimum wage act 1948, which is not effectively followed by the employer. You can check the daily minimum wage for your region in this on websites are also available for the same. The long-term aim of a minimum wage is to remove the problem of poverty pay which exists when the earning from the paid work do not result in a living wage and fail to push people out of poverty. There will be no citizen in the country below poverty line through this way. Number six, start green revolution. Follow the red green movement. India is supposed to be a green India. However, when we enter any high-tech city, we see only building and no tree. As a result, there is a pollution, no rain, and people end up with the suffering from unknown disease. Every individual should take up responsibility of having a tree per house at least to make India as a green India. Number seven, decentralization of the power. The local village or panchayat or colony or ward known which the best decision from them is in terms of electricity, road, farming, dams. They should be given fair right to make the decision. Centralizing it is a like a trying to fit one size for all. Also it will reduce the corruption as the funds are not centralized in one place. Number 8, transportation, neat and fair transportation. Transportation is a near major issue in the multiple states of India. 10% of the city have a good transportation, but the 90% do not issue C. Public transport vehicle not in a good condition, neat, not neat. The bus, railway station are not neat. Bus are always almost crowded. No sufficient frequency of transportation. No queue system with waiting for the bus or train. Metro are having such facility. However, not every village in India has a metro. In order to make India a developed country, the transportation system should be proper, neat, and fair. Number 9, people with civic sense. This is one of the difficult tasks to look for. There are speed marks, urine, vulgar, graffiti, random garbage, and overflowing sewer at every nook and corner of India. No city in this country has managed to fight the menace. It is easy to pin everything on the government, but people must first question themselves and their own civic sense. Roads are not dirty because nobody cleaned it, but because somebody dirtied it in the first place. Civic sense is nothing but social ethics also. Every swine, even swine flu, which is quickly spreading across the country, was caused by the absence of hygiene. This must be followed by every citizen without having excuse. Everybody does it. In the case of the COVID-19, you have recently seen the situation about non-civic sense activities. Number 10, recommendation and reservation are making the skilled and eligible people to move away from the they are supposed to do. Every talented individual is eliminated just because of the system of the recommendation and reservation from the higher and known people. All Indians should be treated as one. Number 11, discipline traffic the following rule. Most of the accidents are due to undisciplined traffic. Time is something which is making us not to follow the rule, but way to start early and follow the rule to avoid accident and more delay in the traffic by most following the rule. Number 12, have you even seen number 12, clean and neat public toilet? Have you ever seen a neat and clean public toilet any of the bus station? This is something which is lie in our hand and the government. Every individual should ensure the toilet is ready for others to use when you leave. This does not mean you have to clean it, you have to use it well. Government should ensure we have a neat, clean, hygienic public toilet for use. Number 30, appropriate customer service across all fields. Day in and day out, we need to work with multiple departments, with the government. Of course, everyone knows that response is the government officer and drastically less compared to private company. Every government agent to take up the responsibility and accountability to do their work promptly and effectively. Number 14, work for your own. Number 14, work for your own country. Every year, we have multiple engineers and doctors coming out of India. Efficient individuals leave the country and provide their expertise in their other countries, which make Indians to reach out to the other country for the service given by Indians outside India. Most of the developed countries have around 20% of their growth due to Indian mindset. Number 15, clean and neat rivers and water bodies. What is the condition of our major river of India? Every corner of the river, water body, there are waste items. All rivers are polluted, and all water bodies in the city are having a wickup smell when you cross it. We need to have clean and neat water body in India. Responsibility lie with the every Indian and the government also. Do not throw garbage in the water body. It is not a dustbin. Number 16, give priority for the agriculture. Agriculture is the backbone of India. 75% of India is agriculture land. Most priority should be given to agriculture and farmer to make India as a developed country. Every year, there has been increase in the rate of the farmer suicide, and the generation of the farmer look forward for the it rather than agriculture. Priority for the agriculture will help in the maintaining our backbone steady. Number 7, effective and affordable public health care. Public health care are not as effective as the private health care, and the private health care is not affordable for the every being in India. Government should take extensive measure of having effective and affordable public health care system, which is accessible at every part of India, at every nook and corner of India, and every people of the India. Number 18, increase literacy rate. The literacy rate in India is 1074.8% in 2014. The literacy rate should be 100% in order to make India developed country. The understanding of every part of what we do can be achieved only through education, and this education should be proper and results should be effective. Number 19, pollution control. Pollution is another major threat. Everywhere there are pollution, especially in the city, air pollution, water pollution, etc. Reducing pollution will be difficult task, but controlling the pollution lie in the hand of each individual and the government too. Number 20, utilization of Indian products means Swadeshi. Again, a difficult task to look forward. Nowadays, every product we use is a foreign product. Sometimes we not realize which is Indian product and which is foreign product. As a Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi said, if we use the purchase only Indian product for the span of 19 days, the value of dollar shall be 1 rupees equal. Means $1 equal to 1 rupees. Number 21. Fair decision to sports and other fields. Every field is losing efficient resource due to corruption, especially sports field. The selection of players are not done in the fair manner for most of the sports, which is making us lose multiple gold medals in international level games. Corrective and fair decisions to be made in sports and other fields. Number 22. Clean up your own mess. Cleanliness is something which is not prevailing in India. In almost 90% of area, every Indian should be responsible enough not to dirty your own nation. Clean up your own mess and nation will clean by itself. Ensure your surroundings are clean and neat, and you should not be the factor of littering on road and in public areas. Number 23. Women should walk at will even during night. India should be in a state where a woman should be able to walk along at will even during night time. There should be no threat to her from the society. 24. Proper implementation of government plan. Government is bringing up multiple plans to make India a developed country. However, lots of NGO like the Innovation Society of India and the Council for Sustainable Peace and Development is planning for the same to make India as a developed nation. However, everything is in vain. This is due to states where the implementation of such plans are not effective. Major reason is due to corruption and scheme. If the plan proposed are implemented successfully or expected, India will become a developed country soon. And last but not least, eradicate bravery. Bravery is the one of the major reasons keeping India still a developed country. Giver and taker are responsible for such crime. This should be considered as a huge crime and punishment should be severe. Giving 100 to the traffic police for not wearing helmet has become a fashion nowadays. All such activities should be controlled and bravery should be the irritated. So these are the 25 basic terminology, basic concept, basic idea, basic synergy, mechanism, and 25 things which will lead and make India as a developed nation and developed country. Thank you very much.
Actually, क्या कर रहा हूँ?